Morning students. In your Pythagoras theorem in this chapter, we completed practice set 48. Then today we are going to study here practice set 49. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. See, if in a triplet of natural numbers, the square of the biggest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. In this Pythagorean triplet, the square of this biggest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. Then the three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet. Then these three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet. Suppose one example here, 8, 15, 17. The square of the biggest number square is equal to sum of the other two squares. Here biggest number 17 square is equal to 289. Then 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square 64 plus 15 square 225. This addition is also 289. Means this 17 square biggest number and remaining these two number squares is equal to, therefore these three numbers are triplets. These three numbers are this Pythagorean triplet. If the length of the sides of a triangle from such a triplet, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. If the length of the sides of a triangle from such a triplet, then this triangle is a right angled triangle. Then it is a Pythagorean triplets, and the triangle with the lengths 8, 15, 17 is a right angled triangle. Then see practice set 49. Practice set 49. Find the Pythagorean triplets from among the following set of numbers. First one, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then biggest number is 5. 5 square is equal to 25. Then 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 3 square. 9 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to answer 25. Means here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Therefore 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is a Pythagorean triplet. In this type right answers. Triplet. Second one, see. 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Biggest number is 5 centimeter. 5 square 25. 2 square plus 4 square. 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16. Then 16 plus 4 here 20. 20. Then you write here 2 square plus 4 square is not equal to this 5 square. Then below write therefore 2, 4, 5 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Is not a Pythagorean triplet. Third one, see. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Four centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Biggest number is 6. Then 6 square is equal to 36. Then 4 square plus 5 square is equal to 4 square 16. 5 square 25. Then 16 plus 25 here answer is 41. Then you write here 4 square plus 5 square is not equal to this 6 square. Therefore 4 comma 5 comma 6 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Then this square of this biggest number is equal to this square of these other two sides is equal to, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Then here biggest number 6 square 36, here 4 square plus 5 square 16 plus 25 41, it is not equal to, therefore 4 comma 5 comma 6 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Then fourth one, two centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then biggest number is 7. 7 square is equal to 49. Then 2 square plus 6 square. 2 square 4 plus 6 square 36. 36 plus 4 is equal to answer 40. Then you write here 2 square plus 6 square is not equal to this 7 square. Then therefore 2 comma 6 comma 7 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Then fifth one, 9 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 41 centimeter. Then biggest number 41 square is equal to, here 41 square 1681. Then 9 square plus 40 square. Then here 81 plus 40 square 1600 is equal to also answer 1681. Therefore 41 square is equal to 9 square plus 40 square. Therefore you write below answer 9 comma 40 comma 41 is a Pythagorean triplet. Then in this practice set 49 again one example remained. See this 6 one, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then here biggest number is 8. You write here 8 square 64. Then remaining these two numbers, square of this sum 4 square plus 7 square, 4 square 16 and 7 square 49 is equal to answer here 65. But this 4 square plus 7 square is not equal to this 8 square. Therefore 4, 7 and 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. In homework you complete this practice set 48. Then again one practice set. In this practice set, in homework you complete this practice set 49. This first one question. Again one question remains, second one. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay.